$2. That is what the flat blue fiberglass filter costs at the hardware store. It is also what starts a failure chain that ends with a compressor replacement bill. Phoenix, Arizona, in the summer of 2022, a homeowner replaced a 3-year-old Carrier system. The compressor had seized. The contractor's diagnosis was liquid refrigerant flooding the compressor from a frozen evaporator coil. The cause of the frozen coil was restricted airflow. The cause of the restricted airflow was a clogged fiberglass filter from a 20-pack under $2 each. Her repair bill was $2,800. A NATE-certified technician in Memphis, Tennessee, with 19 years in residential HVAC, told me he sees this failure chain 3 or 4 times every summer. He said the industry has been running 2 lies about air filters for decades. One costs you money slowly. The other costs you everything at once. Go to your air handler right now. Pull the filter out. Look at it. We will use what you find in a few minutes. Hold on to that filter. The number on its frame is the story. Here is lie 1, the cheap end. Flat fiberglass filters sell for $2 to $4 and carry a MERV rating of 1 to 4. MERV, minimum efficiency reporting value, is the standardized scale for what a filter actually catches. At MERV 1 to 4, a filter captures less than 20% of particles between 3 and 10 microns. Pollen, pet dander, and mold spores pass straight through. The filter protects airflow, and it does almost nothing for the internal components of your system. Here is lie 2, the expensive end. A 1-inch MERV 13 filter captures bacteria and tobacco smoke. It also creates enough static pressure to exceed safe operating limits on most residential systems. ASHRAE documents that residential blowers are designed to operate below 0.5 inches of water gauge total external static pressure. A 1-inch MERV 13 filter alone generates up to 0.28 inches of water gauge before any duct or coil adds its resistance. On an older single-speed blower, that restricted airflow triggers the same failure chain as the cheap filter. The Memphis tech confirmed it. I have found frozen coils sitting under a brand new high-MERV filter. The homeowner thought they were doing everything right. The filter was too restrictive for the blower. Same failure chain, different cause. 2 opposite lies, same repair bill. It is not the thermostat. It is not the refrigerant line. The component that fails when airflow is wrong, in either direction, is the evaporator coil. And this is what it does to the compressor on the way down. Restricted airflow means the coil cannot absorb enough heat. Its surface temperature drops below freezing. Moisture in the air ices over it, blocking the only component designed to transfer heat out of your home. The system keeps running. Refrigerant that should vaporize stays liquid. That liquid travels back to the compressor. The compressor is built to compress gas, not liquid. The lubricating oil washes away. The compressor seizes. That is not a system failure. That is a filter failure. The cost cascade. A frozen coil diagnosis runs $150 to $300. A thaw and recharge adds $150 to $250. Compressor replacement costs $1,500 to $3,000 in parts and labor. At that threshold, most contractors recommend full system replacement at $9,000 to $14,000. And the Department of Energy documents that even partial airflow restriction, no frozen coil, just a clogged filter, raises energy consumption 5 to 15% per billing cycle. The Memphis tech confirmed it. He said, "Wrong MERV or right MERV left too long. I've written both tickets." Homeowner asks what went wrong with the system. I tell them, nothing went wrong with the system. Something went wrong with the filter. That is the technical truth. Here is the financial one. A 12-pack of MERV 2 fiberglass filters costs roughly $24 a year. Change them monthly as recommended, and you have spent $24 protecting almost nothing. Most homeowners call that responsible maintenance. Here is the number they never see. A 12-month supply of MERV 8 pleated filters, the minimum threshold where a filter actually traps the debris that coats coils and clogs blower wheels, costs $90 to $150 annually. Consumer Reports testing confirms MERV 8 as the floor for meaningful system protection. ASHRAE and ACHR news maintenance data show that consistent MERV 8 or above filtration can extend a system's lifespan by 3 to 5 years, producing $2,000 to $6,000 in return against a filter upgrade costing less than $10 a month. Add one compressor replacement from the failure chain in the previous section, and the homeowner running fiberglass has spent more on her system than the homeowner who paid 5 times as much per filter. The homeowner running fiberglass is spending less on maintenance and more on equipment. That is the airflow LI running forward. Here is how to stop it. Look at the filter in your hand. 3 checks. First, read the MERV rating on the frame. MERV 1, 2, 3, or 4, or no rating at all, is a fiberglass filter. It is not protecting your system. Hold it up to a light source. If you can see through the media, so can every particle heading for your coil. Second, check the color. If the filter is gray or brown and has been in place more than 90 days, airflow restriction may already be a factor. Screenshot this. 3 numbers before you buy another filter. 1. MERV 8 is the floor, without exception. Below it, a filter does not protect residential HVAC components from the particles that cause coil contamination and premature failure. MERV 11 is the target for homes with pets, high dust, or anyone with respiratory concerns. 2. Thickness beats MERV rating. A 4-inch MERV 13 filter has lower airflow resistance than a 1-inch MERV 11. If your system has a 4-inch media cabinet, use it. The filter aisle never displays this specification. 3. 90 days is the maximum, not the schedule. Homes with pets or nearby construction should check the filter monthly and replace it when the media is visibly loaded. I asked the Memphis tech what filter he runs in his own home. No hesitation. He said MERV 11 pleated, 4-inch Aprilaire cabinet. I change it twice a year. Never had an airflow-related failure in my own equipment. 19 years. $40 a year. Never touched for an airflow problem. That is the answer. 2 lies. One sells cheap filtration that passes everything damaging straight into your system. The other sells dense filtration that chokes the airflow your system depends on. Both end in exactly the same cascade. The homeowner in Phoenix paid $2,800 to replace a compressor that was destroyed by a $2 filter. A full year of MERV 8 pleated filters would have cost her $100. Stop buying the filter. Start buying the protection.